Okay, Josh, you're the chief cook now.
So,
The
tell
main
me what
chef.
you're making.
So you got to tell us what you're making.
I am making cookies.
Cookies?
Wow.
So I need one
Okay. We need 260 grams of the flour.
What?
260 grams.
Yeah.
So how many spoons?
And let's
Keep
watch
going.
here. Just start putting and I can tell you.
What kind of
28
cookie?
grams. 66. This is not safe.
Say for him.
How many more do
We need lots more. We need 260. So we need 200 more.
You put in that.
About 5 more tablespoons slowly. Little bit slowly. We're getting close. It's 141.
Remember that?
260.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Now half
Half
measure.
measure,
Okay.
okay.
130.
1/3
So-
take on baby.
We need to. Do you want me to do it or?
Got to take a lot out. 130 Joshua, keep coming. Sir, കാലിൽ വെക്കുകയാണെങ്കിലേ ഞാൻ അവന് വേറെ യന്ത്രം കൊണ്ടുവരണം.
Okay, probably one more spoon should do. Now it's 140, we need 130. Just very good. Just, okay,
No,
that's
okay.
it.
Another stool is slipping.
That's it, that's it. Okay, you want to make it 130? He'll make a good baker because he wants to go to the
Perfect.
exact. Yes, perfect. Let's go.
Yes, so I'm going to change over Joshua. It's slipping. Yeah. Well, I put it.
Don't take your hat off, okay, because that's the only way you can tell. You're the main cook.
Okay. What next, Saramai?
Powdered sugar.
Ooh, powdered sugar.
That is 30 grams.
Very little, right?
More.
Thirty grams.
What is that, Josh? Is the flour?
Oh, it's powder. This is flour. This is powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar, oh, okay.
Do you know what else, like what other name
Yeah.
it's known by? Thank you. So, we only have 3. Eh?
You can have this, Josh.
Mommy, I'm so strong that this goes too high.
Kunni bowl.
Smaller than this?
Very small, just yum. Smell it?
How does it
That's
smell,
vanilla.
Josh?
That's vanilla.
Vanilla.
That's
Very
what.
small.
That's what's gonna give the cookie.
Ice cream. It's like an ice cream. Mom is close man and reading out big bunches of vanilla ice cream coming down, Joshua. That's so cute.
Eh?
Sarah's got even more sexier measuring things, you know.
Ido. Endurance. Endurance.
So how many?
We need half teaspoon. Find which one is half teaspoon. That's quarter teaspoon. So 1/2.
This?
What are you doing now,
Yes,
Josh?
Yeah, it was not a recent cycle incident.
What is that? Butter?
Vanilla.
Vanilla, oh, okay.
You like vanilla cookies, right?
അതിൻ്റെ മുമ്പിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന സാധനം ഒന്ന് മാറ്റാം ആ രണ്ട് വലിയ ജാറ്
I did try now actually. Okay, so that is done. Salt. I ain't got vanilla. want to do. I knew you would have done it.
How much salt?
Salt, 1/8 teaspoon. Oh, that's going to be difficult. Actually, you can put that into the flour.
അങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ കമ്പത്തോട്ടാ മുഴ
Okay, yeah, okay, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need that. Always washing. Some people don't like us throwing salt.
What is that called?
This is salt and all-purpose flour.
So we gotta stir.
Yeah, we get to start now. Actually, you can use the whisk to slowly whisk that together, and then other button better. You get to work with a cool machine.
Yeah, cool.
Will that make a lot of noise?
Yeah.
No.
Not much. You can try it. I'll show you.
Oh, it's like an egg beater?
Yes.
Egg beater, yeah.
Exactly. It's a handheld.
I have one which I must have gotten when I left Nebraska for like $2 or something, you know,
Uh-huh.
on one of those garage sales.
Yeah, this something one. This was like $10 or something. No, actually, first
So,
this. No, that's for the next step.
First do
This
this.
is
First you have to do the
Oh,
This one. And slowly stir it. Yes, perfect.
Keep going, keep going,
Some,
keep going.
because you need to spread that salt all over the flour. I don't know.
Your side a little.
Just a little bit slow because otherwise you'll end up wearing all the flour. ഇതൊരെണ്ണം അഴിച്ചോ.
Acha.
Do you want to hear how much noise this would make?
First, let me go upstairs. Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay, this is good.
Do tuck onto that. Tuck. There you go. Okay, that's good.
That's done now. Now we get to butter.
So we need all that.
Yeah, we're going to use all of that.
I'll show you now. Put my
I do one
oh.
stick butter also. You like this? Yeah. One thing I wanted to do.
what are you licking, Josh? Oh man, that does look like a the real chefs lick like that?
Yeah. Okay, it's good.
Can I wipe my face?
Mini ഇത് വളരെ മധുരം കുറഞ്ഞ കുക്കിയാണ്.
Must be though.
Because ഇതിന്റെ proportion ഇച്ചിരി.
So,
എത്ര ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി വരുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് പറ. I can guess.
ഇത് 1 കപ്പിനെ this is just half cup of
ഒരു 10 cookies വരുമോ?
ഓ കുക്കിയുടെ അളവ് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ട അത് 10 yeah.
Okay, എന്നാ കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
This is okay.
so we just gotta stir this butter.
Yeah. Perfect.
Keep it inside.
Is that hard to do?
No.
You need to go into the butter.
Go there you go.
Touch the bottom of the bowl. It's okay to touch the bottom of the bowl.
There you go. Cool.
Keep moving the mixer also
Yeah.
in circles. Yeah. You need to get to all of the butter basically. And I'll show you a trick. If you want to get the thing off of the mixie, you just increase the speed and the butter will just come right out.
I'm trying
It
to
is getting stuck inside, right?
So we'll do
It
that
It
later.
doesn't make a lot more noise. Is that okay?
Yeah, so that much is fine, right?
First, let's
But always keep it inside. Remember the money rule?
Yeah.
Always make sure it's inside the thing.
Move the mixie.
He knocks his help, but once he helps, it's like 10 times the effort to clean and you know. Yeah, right.
And we are matching India.
Okay. ഇച്ചിരി തെറ്റിയാണ് ഇച്ചിരി ഒന്ന് കൊടുക്കാനാണ് മുഴുവൻ അടക്കണ്ട കേട്ടോ സണ്ണിൻ്റെ ഇതാണ് ബ്ലോക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
So if you need to get the butter off from this,
gotta go up.
yeah, up, and you need to keep the mixie deep into the bowl